Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this Nigeria delicious moi moi that you are saying. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in again. And if today is your first time of coming across this humble family, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And we'll upload this soon again. Let's get started. Share the video. Make yourself comfortable. So this is the beans I'm going to be using. This is just a half kilo already peeled, but I still have some work to do. And I will transfer into a hot water from the tap. I will leave it for 30 minutes. Thereafter, I will start rinsing. So these are the ingredients, guys, that I'm going to be using for this yummy moi moi. I will explain them one after the other. I need 1 onions. And this red bell pepper. 2 types of egg, fresh and boiled egg. Mackerel fish, and the stock is very necessary, guys. So this is a vegetable oil, a seasoning cube, seasoning powder. So this seasoning powder, guys, this one is the one of a jollof rice. It's a little bit reddish in color. That is why I'm showing you the can. It's so wonderful for jollof rice. Can you see how the color looks like? It makes your jollof rice or your moi moi more colorful. Crayfish, tomatoes. This is a salt to taste. This is a Scotch Bonnet pepper. So the next thing, guys, I'm going to start rinsing these beans. So guys, this is the second time that I am transferring this now. So I'm going to repeat this process. Can you see the chaff that comes out from it? So once I am done, I will put this one aside. So I'm going to transfer into this can. And I will also do the same to the tomatoes, onions, and etc. Tomatoes. This is the seasoning cube, crayfish. So at this point, guys, I will make use of this stock now that I got from the mackerel fish. So I will transfer into the cans of the beans. So I will add additional more water. So guys, if you have this kind of a hand-standing blender, it's very necessary. You use this one to blend it half. So by so doing, to make your blender to last years for you. So all I just need to do, a drop of water, I will go ahead and add it to my blender. So I'm going to repeat this process until I finish it. So in this case now, I'm not going to spend more time in it again. Can you see? It's perfectly okay and smooth. So I will transfer into this bowl. So you can transfer into any bowl that is convenient for you. So once I am done with the beans, I'll do the same thing with the tomatoes and all the rest. I'll use a little bit of water to rinse it. So I will add my Scotch Bonnet pepper to it. My fresh egg, I'll add it at this point. So I'll go ahead and blend it. So once I see that it's perfectly smooth, I'll transfer into the same bowl. I'll use a little bit of water to rinse it. So at this point, I will be adding my vegetable oil. the seasoning powder, salt to taste. Please feel free to check the measurement in my description box. It will be right there for you. So if you have this kind of a hand mixer, guys, it goes a long way. After every ingredient is already there, just pass this hand blader through it. It will be thoroughly mixed. I am done, guys. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, I'm going to separate the bone from this mackerel fish in case when kids are eating it, it will not hurt them. So once I am done, guys, I will taste. Wow, it was wonderful. So if there is a need for any seasoning, salt, you can add a little. If there is a need for more water, you can add. Can you see how soft or thick it is? Not really too thick and not too light. So I'm going to be using this aluminum to bake it. So I will transfer it to it. So before transferring into it, guys, it's very important that you start with greasing. You grease it with vegetable oil, and I will demonstrate it now. So that when the moi moi is ready, you can easily pull off from it. So this is how to seal it. When you are sealing it, and it's very fast and it's also easy. I am done. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? I love this baking with this aluminum because it's so comfortable. Even when the water mistakenly dry, it will not really affect it on time. So I am done. So I'm going to be using more bigger size, and I'll be boiling more eggs. So this one is more bigger. So the sealing is still the same method or the same way. So now I am done, guys. I'm going to be putting aluminum paper under my pot before I will transfer the moi moi on it. So the help of this, guys, so that water will not penetrate on time, so that when the water got dry, the moi moi will not burn so quick. This goes a long way. So I'll use the left aluminum paper you are seeing at the edge to cover it. So I'll put water, guys, but this water you see me putting, or you saw me putting, is not going to be enough, guys. So but it doesn't require too much water at a point. You just keep checking. When the water is dried or almost dry, you add again. If you put too much water on it, the whole water will flow inside your moi moi, and you will not get a perfect result. Can you see how it looks like? So what it really needs to cook is just heat. So even if there is a little bit space at the edge of the pot, it doesn't matter because it's well still. Guys, after 1 hour 30 minutes, our moi moi is ready. Wow. Look at this, guys. Can you see how colorful it is? Oh my god, this moi moi really so delicious, so yummy. So this is how to taste for it, guys. You just set your tiny knife, your skewer. It can be knife, it can be spoon. Once you see that it's not staying, know that your moi moi is ready. So after 1 hour 30 minutes, I decided to see, let me taste it if it's ready, and it was perfectly okay. Guys, if you're to be, I have access of posting this moi moi to you guys. I would have do so. This guy, this mama guys, oh my god, it's one of the best I have ever eaten. So yummy and delicious, guys. So without wasting time, guys, let me really enjoy it. In fact, oh my god, it looks so yummy. Can you see how it looks like? Not too soft. Wonderful, perfectly okay. Can you see how they look? So thanks for watching. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Please go ahead and put like.